Tell me, my fish, how much water there is in the rivers and oceans?
Up to the ankles.
Tell me, my fish, how much water there is in the rivers and oceans?
Up to the knees.
Tell me, my fish, how much water there is in the rivers and oceans?
Up to the waist.
Tell me, my fish, how much water there is in the rivers and oceans?
Up to the chest.
Tell me, my fish, how much water there is in the rivers and oceans?
Up to the top of my head. Just see this. I have defeated you once again. I was going to the river to fetch a pail of water. Come on, sing.
I was going to the river to fetch a pail of water.
Going to the river to fetch a pail
I was
of
going to the river to fetch a pail of
water. I was going to the river.
All of you go to your classes? Come on, go. Hey, you. Had I not come, you would have continued with your fun. You dance very well.
It was just like that.
No, there might be some reason for sure. During the next annual function, we will have a special dance performance by you.
Swear by me.
Why should I swear by you? I never lie. As such, lying makes your nose grow bigger.
Really?
Yes. Now just imagine how will you look if you dance with a swollen nose in front of everyone? Enough now. Come to the class.
By the way, what song should I perform on? Will it be your choice or mine? By the way, I know a song that's perfect. That song, there goes the engine, there goes the
Enough for now. There are 5 more months to go. Show your performance at the right time, okay? Come to the class now.
Bhagwati! Bhagwati! Hey Bhagwati! Hey Bhagwati! Hey, where are you?
Why are you shouting? You're shouting my name. The neighbors might hear you. This isn't your farm.
So what? What's wrong in calling out to my own wife? Let people know that Bhagwati's husband has come back home.
You are really shameless. Besides, you always embarrass me.
How am I being shameless here? Okay, let me wash my hands.
What was the rate of the seeds?
210 per kilogram. Give it to me. The prices have skyrocketed. Considering the current bus fare, it cost us an extra rupee. So after I left, was anyone here to meet me?
No, but I got a letter.
Oh, whose letter? Any idea?
It's from Bhavri. She has found a match for a daughter.
Is it so?
Here, this is the letter. It came 2 days back. How will you have your flatbread, with jaggery or sauce?
First, let me read the letter. After that, I'll tell you what I want to eat. Greetings. What is it?
What is written?
Bhagwati, what day is it today?
It's full moon day.
Bhagwati, go and start preparing something quickly. They are coming today to meet our girl.
Today?
Yes, go on. I'll just be back.
Raju,
Present.
Anil,
Present.
Jitendra,
Present.
Ashok, present. Krishna, present. Rekha,
Present.
Nisha, present. Anandi,
Present.
Phuli. Phuli?
Ma'am, you forget every day.
Teacher, Puli is married now. She will be milking the goats and doing household chores.
Sit down. Come on, take out your notebooks now. Have you all memorized the table of 14?
Yes.
Raju, recite the table of 14.
14 times 1 is 14. 14 times 2 is 28. 14 times 3 is 56.
Who laughed? Who was it?
Ma'am, it was Anandi.
Anandi, why did you laugh?
Ma'am, he is wrong. 14 times 3 is 42, not 56.
Correct. Anandi is absolutely right.
Ma'am, I have also memorized the table of 15.
You learned the table of 15 as well. Who taught it to you?
Rani.
Rani. Have you met her? How is she?
Just like she was before. Yes, but she is a couple of inches taller than before.
Quiet, all of you. There is no need to laugh without any reason. Anandi, write 15's table on the blackboard.
Yes, ma'am. Ones are 15.
15 ones are 15.
15 twos are 30.
15 twos are 30.
15 fives are 75.
15 fives are 75.
15 six are 90.
15 six are 90.
15 nines are 135.
15 nines are 135.
15 tens are 150.
15 tens are 150.
Brilliant. Very good. Very good. Rani has taught you very well.
Ma'am, was my method perfect?
It was very good, just perfect. You're a jewel of this school. Now go and sit there. So did everyone understand the table of 15?
Yes.
Once again, we'll learn it. 15 ones are
15.
15 twos are
30.
15 fives are. Carefully, don't run, everybody. Anandi, wait. You remember you had told me that you like studying very much? Take this. I have brought this for you.
For me?
Yes. You will find this book very interesting. It has each detail about many great and noble personalities' childhood. Keep it safely with you, and once you've read it, return it to me. Okay?
Okay.
Look, Anandi, during this term examination, if you score 100 out of 100 in math, I will give you another book.
Ma'am, if you don't scold me, I would like to tell you something.
Go on.
There is a particular day when students become teachers and teach other students.
Teacher's Day. Silly you.
Yes, Teacher's Day.
Yes.
Even I want to be a teacher on that day.
Teacher? Why so?
You give me the inspiration. I think even I would like to become a teacher.
Like me. But will your parents allow you to be like me?
Yes, I have also talked to my mom about it.
Okay, fine. Now you should go home. Your mom must be waiting for you. Go.
Really? You're very sweet. Foolie? Wait, Foolie. You know, ma'am personally called me and gave this book to me. I love reading, that's why. We will read this book together, okay? And you know, today ma'am was missing you very much.
Today even I missed her very much, Anandi.
So once in a while, you should also come to school.
But how can I? I am married now.
So, you are just married. You're not imprisoned for life, are you? Tell your mom that until your farewell ceremony, she can send you to school. Can't married girls go to school?
Mom says that once a girl is married, whether she stays at in-laws or her parents' place, she shouldn't go out very often. If I insist, then she scolds me. She says studying is a waste of time. She wants me to learn household chores. For that, education is not needed. She also believes that learning rhymes won't help me in my married life.
That's the problem. I did explain to your mom that education is not just about reading books all the time. Education is an important aspect of life. But unfortunately, your mom is not educated after all.
I know her mom is illiterate, ma'am, but how does that matter?
You are still a kid. You don't realize the value of education. Once you gain knowledge, you will get addicted to it.
Aren't addictions supposed to be bad?
You silly girl. Okay, your mom must be waiting for you. Go home. Go on.
Why did ma'am call me silly? Did you understand?
Even I didn't get that.
Look there, Champa is here. Come on, let's play with the dolls.
Yes.
Hey, Champa. We also want to play. Yes, come here. Should we play?
Yes, why not? Anyways, it won't make any difference to me.
But we can't stay for long. My teacher has given me this book. I have to go home and read it.
I will keep this. What? The fun hasn't started yet. You always talk about studies. Why do you run after studies all the time? Tell me what is so interesting.
Well, just like that. I don't know why, but I love studying.
Let me play with the doll.
Okay, let's play while going back home.
Yeah,
let's go.
Bhagwati,
Yes.
where are you? Hey, are you upstairs? What are you doing upstairs? I have brought these sweets. I have brought a variety of sweets. Tell me, how are they? I'm keeping it here. Oh, you look ravishing. You know something? They are coming here to meet the girl, not her mom. Okay, tell me, what is the need to dress up so well?
Of course there's a need. After all, it's about a daughter. We have to take care of everything. Daughters grow up to be like their moms. And anyway, they should not think that I don't know how to dress up well.
You're absolutely right, Your Highness. But where is our daughter? I haven't seen her. Is she ready or not?
Oh my god! Well, I have been so busy with the arrangements that I completely forgot about Anandi. You get
Hey, listen.
ready, I'm just getting her.
Go quickly.
Now where do I find this girl? Hey Rani! I cannot find Anandi. God knows where she might be. Please go and find her. She might be on her way. As such, it's not late yet. You cannot count on her, Rani. Once she starts playing, she won't come back till the evening. Go and find her. It's urgent. But aunt, what is the urgency? Are you going or should I send someone else? I'm going. Go on quickly.
Hey, Champa is here! Champa is here, please run! Champa is here! She's on the way. Come on, let's go!
My teacher has given me this book. It has the stories of the childhood of great and noble
Enough, you
personalities.
always talk about a teacher and studies. She says the teacher told her that our nose grows bigger when we
nothing
lie.
of that sort happens, Anandi. The teacher never lies, so her nose never grows big.
That's not true.
No, it's correct.
It's not true.
It is.
Bull.
Look at him. Hey, why are you laughing? When someone falls like this, you shouldn't laugh. Had it not been for him, we would have been lying in this puddle. My teacher told when someone is in difficulty, instead of laughing at them, we should try to help them. Are you alright, sir? Here, take your bag. Are you alright, sir?
No, dear.
No, if you're hurt, then I can get you first aid.
No, dear. I'm perfectly fine.
These boys are very troublesome. They keep irritating others. Mom says they will have to repay for their deeds in the next birth. And even these girls, Foolie
and Champa. They also started laughing. That was not fair.
Mm-hmm. No one should have laughed. But then everyone is not as wise as you are.
There is a well nearby. You can go and clean up your clothes over there.
Okay, I'll do it. God bless you.
What is this, Anandi? How did all this happen? Sister Rani, this puddle, all this mess. Leave it. My clothes are all stained. You can't even walk properly. And always watch your step while walking.
Oh, so here you are. No sooner did I leave for the temple, you got an escape window to get rid of the household work, huh? There is so much work at home to be done, but you don't care at all. I have to toil hard the entire day. At times I feel that you will be at peace only after sending me to heaven someday.
Sister-in-law, Aunt Bhagwati told me to...
What are you saying? What excuses are you giving? Yes. Bhagwati must have told you that you must be tired of working. Take a break now. Go out. Have some fun for a while. Didn't she? Stop giving excuses and do some work. Come on now. Come on. You just need an excuse to move out of the house and do no work at all. Come on now.
Now should I remind you that they are coming to meet your daughter, not you?
My sweetheart. It seems they have arrived.
Is this Khajan Singh's residence?
Yes, who are you?
Greetings. I am Bhairav Singh. You might have received my letter.
Yes, I got it. Please come in. Come. Why your clothes are so dirty? Which route did you take?
As soon as I entered the village, some boys played a prank on me and I fell down.
We are sorry for
Oh
that.
no, why are you apologizing?
Well, this happened in my village, so I should apologize for that.
Well, the boys will be the same in every village. They are boys after all. Boys will be boys. The boys were pranksters, but there was a very nice girl who helped me. She came running to help.
Yes, here all the girls are very well cultured. You know what? We actually raise our daughters very well.
That's great. Can I have some water?
Sure, why not? Please come with me. Come.
Let's go.
Hey, Anandi. Where have you been? What is the matter, eh?
I haven't done anything. It's just a prank played by some naughty boys.
Is it so?
I'm telling you also, uncle. I'm sure one day they will also play a prank on you. Let me go and tell this to dad.
Oh, hey.
Look, nothing is in our hands. Marriages are made in heaven. We just accept what is already pre-decided. I have only one son, Jagdish. He looks like a very handsome prince. He is very good looking. He tops in everything, whether it is studies or sports. God has been kind to us. We have never felt any shortage of anything. All we need is an appropriate match for him. We are looking for a girl who is loving and affectionate. She should be obedient and well-mannered. After meeting you, I feel like my search has finally come to an end over here.
Well, you are being very generous. Otherwise, we are not that capable.
Oh no, it's not like that. It's not that hard to make out the difference between good and bad. But where's your daughter? I can't see her.
Bhagwati, where is she?
I've sent Rani to get her. She'll be here soon.
Okay.
Dad. Oh, you were heading to my house? God, this girl will spoil everything.
Hey, why are you standing there? Greet him.
God bless you.
But I have already met him before.
Is it so? Where?
You know, some village boys played a prank on him. And because of that, he fell down in the mud. Fortunately, I was there to help him. Otherwise, they wouldn't have let him go that easily.
Keep your mouth shut.
Oh, but let me finish my story. After all that, all those pranksters were laughing at him. I thought it will be very embarrassing for our village. First of all, someone visits here. Then you make him fall down and laugh at him. You know, even Champa and Foolie were laughing at him.
She is just a kid. She won't even know what she is saying.
No, Khajan Singh, she's right. I have found a perfect match for my son.
What is it, Mom?
Anandi would make a very good daughter-in-law.
Okay.
I just have one request.
Yes.
Look, in our family, every decision is taken by mom. So, I will need a photo of the girl in order to show it to her.
Sure.
Why do you need my photograph? I only have 3. What will you do with my photograph?
Listen, Anandi. When I go back to my village, people will ask me about the brave girl who helped me, right? So I will show them your photograph and tell them she's the one who helped me.
Oh, that's why you want it? Okay, then you can have all of them.
Take this.
Your photograph is very good.
It has to be. After all, I'm beautiful.
Yes, you're right. You're beautiful indeed.
But promise me one thing. When you return, you will have to tell everyone about those pranksters. And the
Wait
other...
a minute. Now those are 2 promises. You asked for only 1.
When I started asking, it was only 1. But in between, I changed my mind and asked for the second one.
Okay, Khajan Singh.
Yes.
I'll take your leave. As soon as my mother makes a decision, I'll inform you.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Okay, let me drop
Oh,
you to the
that's
bus
okay.
stop. Please allow me.
Oh, no.
Let's go. Please.
Anandi, you talk too much. Yeah?
Mom, who was he?
No one as of now. But if God wishes, Anandi, soon he will be your father-in-law. New house, new dad. Dear, a day will come when you will have to leave us. You will have to settle in a new family.
Why will that happen? You are my mom and you will be my mom forever.
No, it's not like that. After marriage, all the relationships are changed. You will form new ones. Your village will be different. Your house will be different. Your parents will be different. In short, a girl starts new life. You will have a completely different life.
My home, my village, my parents. Do I really have to leave everything?